The all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5 is finally here, and it's turning heads with a bold redesign, cutting-edge tech, and refined driving performance that lives up to Mazda's legacy of driver-first engineering. If you've been waiting for the next evolution of the CX-5, this model is worth the hype and more. Slated to hit dealerships in early 2026, with a starting price expected around $30,000, the 2026 CX-5 strikes a perfect balance between luxury and practicality, sportiness, and sophistication. From the outside, the CX-5 boasts a sleeker, more athletic design. The front grille has been reshaped for a more aggressive presence, paired with slimmer LED headlights that give it a sharper look. Mazda's signature Kodo design language continues to evolve, making this SUV one of the most stylish in its class. It's not just about looks. The updated body is more aerodynamic, helping fuel efficiency and highway stability. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 is expected to offer both a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine and a turbocharged variant, with power outputs ranging from 187 to 256 horsepower. There's also talk of a mild hybrid or even a plug-in hybrid version, giving eco-conscious drivers more choices than ever before. Paired with Mazda's intuitive all-wheel drive system and a retuned suspension, the CX-5 delivers the spirited, agile driving experience that fans have come to expect, but now with even more control and comfort. Inside, the cabin is where the 2026 CX-5 really shines. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a redesigned dashboard layout give it a near-luxury feel. A large 12.3-inch infotainment screen takes center stage, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Mazda has also improved cabin insulation for a quieter ride and added new driver assistance features like enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system. What makes the 2026 CX-5 especially exciting is how it blends all these upgrades without losing its identity. It's still the fun-to-drive SUV that handles like a sports sedan but now comes with a more premium feel, smarter tech, and better efficiency. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, this SUV is built to elevate every drive. With a release date targeting January 2026, Mazda is gearing up to make a big splash in the compact SUV market, and the 2026 CX-5 might just set the new benchmark. If you're looking for style, performance, and value in one sleek package, the CX-5 is one to watch. Thanks for watching, and we will meet soon in next video.